A beam of unpolarized light, which is having an intensity of I naught, is passing through the Polaroid A. And then it is passing through Polaroid B and C. And the question here is, what will be the intensity of the light which is coming out from the Polaroid C? It's known that whenever the light is going inside the Polaroid, there will be the change in intensity. But when we are checking the Polaroid A, there is no angle difference. So we can say the value of I1, which means the light coming out of the Polaroid, which is having an intensity, which will have an intensity of I naught over 2. Similarly, when the light is coming from B, we can say the intensity will be IB, and when it is coming from C, we can say the intensity will be IC. But in the Polaroid B and C, there is some angle. So here we can use a Mallows law, which is nothing but the intensity of an outcoming light will be equal to I naught times cos square theta. Whereas I naught is nothing but the intensity of an incident light. So here, when we are calculating the intensity of the light which is coming out from Polaroid IB, we can write it will be equal to I1 times cos square 60 degree. Whereas I1 we calculated as I naught over 2. So I naught over 2 times 1 over whole power 2, which will be equal to I naught over 8. So this is the value of intensity of a light which is coming from the Polaroid B. Let us calculate the value of intensity of a light which is coming out of Polaroid C. So which will be equal to IB times cos square 45 degree. So let us apply the values here. So it will be I naught over 8 times 1 over root 2 whole power 2. When we are simplifying this, we will get the value of I naught over 16. So the value of intensity of a light which is coming out of the Polaroid C is I naught over 16. So the correct answer here is option C.